Welcome to our practical guide to DIY Greenlight therapy at home. In this video, you will learn how to effectively use Greenlight therapy for various health and beauty purposes in the comfort of your own home. Before we begin, let's understand what Greenlight therapy is and how it works. Greenlight therapy involves the use of specific wavelengths of green light to promote healing, boost collagen production, reduce inflammation, and improve overall skin complexion. There are numerous benefits to incorporating Greenlight therapy into your routine. It can help reduce acne, calm sensitive skin, fade hyperpigmentation, improve signs of aging, and provide overall skin rejuvenation. Now, let's move on to setting up your DIY Greenlight therapy device. Make sure you have a reliable Greenlight therapy device that emits wavelengths between 520 530 nanometers. Follow the manufacturer's instructions for proper usage and safety precautions. Once you have set up your device, it's time to perform a Greenlight therapy session. Start by cleansing your face and applying a suitable serum or moisturizer. Then, position the device about 12 inches away from your face and switch it on. Gently move the device in circular motions across your face, ensuring each area receives an adequate amount of green light. For optimal results, it is recommended to perform Greenlight therapy sessions for about 10-20 minutes 3 times a week. Consistency is key, so make sure to incorporate it into your skincare routine to see long-term benefits. Before starting Greenlight therapy, it is important to consult with a healthcare professional, especially if you have any underlying skin conditions or are pregnant. Additionally, always protect your eyes during the session by wearing appropriate eyewear. Congratulations! You are now equipped with the knowledge to perform DIY Greenlight therapy at home. Remember to always take necessary precautions and enjoy the numerous benefits it offers for your skin and overall well-being.